Now we will see ELIF statement. Like we know how to write the if else. Now we will see if ELIF else. So ELIF statement enables us to check multiple conditions. Like in this we are checking condition in if only. And if you are writing ELIF statement means you are checking the multiple conditions and execute the specific block of statements depending upon the true condition. We can have any number of ELIF statements in our program. Like we can write first if, then ELIF, we can write n number of ELIF. We can give one condition in if, another condition in ELIF, another condition in next ELIF, and so on. And then we can write last else. Like using ELIF is not mandatory, it is optional, but it solves our purpose to check multiple conditions. If condition 1 is true, then it will execute statements and it will not check ELIF conditions. If first expression is true, then it will execute statements inside this if only. It will not check the remaining part. If this expression is false, then what will happen? It will check the expression 2. And if expression 2 is true, it will execute statements inside the expression 2. And it won't check these statements. If our expression 2 is false, then what will happen? It will check expression 3, third ELIF condition. And statement inside the ELIF will be executed and whatever written below this won't check. Like inside the else or ELIF will not check. Okay? And if all three expressions are false, then what will happen? The statement inside the else will be executed. And then the next statement, whatever written outside the if, will be executed. So we will see the example here for the ELIF. Like I am taking a number as an input, num is equal to int input, enter a number. If num equals to 10, then we will print number is equals to 10. And we are taking the another condition, like ELIF number equals to 50, then we can say number is equals to 50. We are taking three conditions, number is 10 or number is 50 or number is 100. Otherwise we will say number is not equal to 10, 50 or 100. Now you can see this program, like it's asking for a user input, like I'm putting 50 means the second condition is true. What will happen? We are taking a user input, it will check number equals to 10, no. So it will check the second condition, number equals to 50, yes. So it will print the number is equals to 50, not check the remaining part. Okay, or if you will enter 100, then it will check both upper conditions and then it will execute this ELIF. And if you are entering a number other than 10, 50 and 100, then it will print number is not equal to 10, 50 or 100. And the second program we can practice, like program to find the largest among the three numbers. You can take three user input numbers and then you can check largest number from these three numbers. Now you can practice this question, program to find the largest among the three numbers. What is the solution? Like you need to take a user input. Here I'm taking a user input a equals to enter the first number and then converting to the float. Similarly b, enter the second number converting to the float, and similarly third number, enter the third number and converting to the float, a, b, c. We are taking 3 user input and then we are checking if condition, if a greater than b, and we are checking 2 conditions. So in the Python, if you are taking two conditions, then you can put the AND. Both should be true, then you need to put the AND, and if you want any of them is true, then you can write here the OR. And here don't need to write any symbol. In the Python we can directly write A and D for the AND and OR for the OR. So a greater than b and a greater than c. Okay, and print the largest number is a. In this case a is largest number. Similarly, if this condition is false, then what will happen? It will check the second expression like b greater than a and b greater than c. In this case largest number is b, and if both condition if and elif are false, then we can say our else condition will be executed and largest number is c. So I can run this code and I can enter a number like 34, 45 and then 6. So you can see output is here, the largest number is 45, that is the second number. So this condition is executed. Okay, so this is how to write the ELIF in Python.